In today's video, we're gonna learn how to make money with ChatGPT or GPT-3. Before we start, let me tell you what ChatGPT or GPT-3 is. The full name of GPT-3 is Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. This AI went viral in November 2022 as you must have seen many people talking about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text on a wide range of topics and styles. ChatGPT is like a chatbot but more smart and intelligent than a normal chatbot. It will literally give you the most satisfactory output you were looking for. There are multiple ways to make money with ChatGPT. You can create content for websites or blogs, scripts for your video and podcast, and social media content which will help you to generate traffic and revenue. Besides, you can also create chatbots or virtual assistants that can engage in conversation with users and provide them with information or assistance. You can use chatbots to generate income by offering them as a service to businesses or by selling them as a product. But in this video, we'll specifically explore one of the ways you can use ChatGPT to generate income. I will show you the step-by-step process to make a video in minutes with ChatGPT without using your voice, without showing your face, and finally monetizing the video. So, let's get started. Our first step is to open chat.openai.com. Okay. So when you will open chat.openai.com, then you will see this interface. And this is ChatGPT AI. Then what do you need to do? If you don't have an account, then you can sign up here by clicking on the sign up button. And if you already have an account, then you can click on the login button to enter the ChatGPT. From there you can sign up with your Google account. I will continue with my Google account since I already have an account. Then as you can see, I entered my ChatGPT account. This is the chat box where we will input our questions. We'll be typing our question and we will get our output. Right, so now let me see here. What is this? These are the examples. You can see explain quantum computing in simple terms. And you can also see what are the capabilities of ChatGPT. It can remember what users say earlier in the conversation. So these are the capabilities. And these are the limitations. It may occasionally generate incorrect information. So now this is the chat box as I showed earlier. Now we will type our queries. Okay, so what I will do, I will just paste my question here. My question is create a video script on how to make money with freelancing. Okay. Enter. Now it will generate a script for me. Look, it's creating a video script for me. That's awesome, right? I will wait for some time and let's see how this AI software actually generates a script for me and absolutely for free, right? It generates so accurately, but sometimes it may be incorrect, but you need to make all the corrections. You need to observe all the things that are happening there, right? These are really human-like texts. When you will read the generated text, you will feel it. Now, as you can see, this is the intro of my video script. Listen and look how it goes. Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with freelancing. Freelancing can be a great way to earn income while enjoying the flexibility and autonomy of working for yourself. In this video, we will go over some key steps for getting started as a freelancer and making money in this field. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see the outro. This is the conclusion. It goes like this. In conclusion, freelancing can be a great way to earn money, earn income, and have the freedom and flexibility to work on your own terms. Blah, blah, blah. And finally, you can see this outro. And it goes like this. This video has been helpful in giving an idea of how to make money by freelancing. Thank you for watching. That's very beautiful, right? We can also create book summaries as well. So let's see how we can create a book summary. So we will type here, create a video script for a book summary of The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Let's see what it generates. Hello and welcome to this video. As you can see, this is the intro. We can also regenerate the response. Click here to regenerate. Oh, you can see it started regenerating the text. Now, let's move to the top. So this is our first script. Right, and this is our second script. So what I'll do now is I'll copy all the text from here. And I'll paste it into Google Docs so that I can use it as my script. Next, I will come back to the ChatGPT and I will type, show me Python code to create a chatbot. So as you can see, it started generating the Python code to create the chatbot. Now I only need to copy them and create the chatbot. Now moving to the top, and you can see that it has explained that it has used loops and if statements to build these codes. Now if we go down to the bottom, we can see that it has explained every minute detail of these codes, and we can easily understand what is happening there. So our second step is, to go to steve.ai. Okay, as you can see, this is the steve.ai tool. So you can see this is the only AI tool. The only AI tool to create animated or live videos using text. I hope you got it. So now if you don't have any account here, okay, then you can create one. So this software basically helps you to create animated video or live video without showing your face or using your voice. It literally saves your time. You don't have to create the video manually. All you need to do is to input text and get video as output. So let's get started. If you have already an account, you can log in by clicking here. I already have an account, so I will go with my Google account. As you can see, you can start here. From this, you can create a video from a script. Okay. From here, you can create a video from a blog, and next is voice to live video. Now let's go with script to video by clicking on Start button. Since we already have a script, so we will skip this auto-generate script. So click here to skip. Then, go to Google Doc where you pasted the script that you created with ChatGPT. Now paste it here. Our video is about freelancing. We will be using free images and videos. Also, don't forget to add voiceover, which will auto-generate voiceover for your video. Then click Next. Now you can choose the design style for your video. I will choose this one. It'll take some seconds to load all the scenes. Now let's watch how our auto-generated video. Click here to play.
Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with freelancing. Freelancing can be a great way to earn an income while enjoying the flexibility and autonomy of working for yourself. In this video, we'll go over some key steps for getting started as a freelancer and making money in this field. First, let's define.
Now to change any image or video clip, you can simply click on Swap. And from here you can select a best image or video clip. Now click here if you want to edit the text, only if you want to replace or remove any text. Now if you want to hide the text from the video, then you can click here. Now click here to hide text in the current slide. Look, it's hidden. Let's play again.
Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with freelancing. Freelancing can be a great way.
So, again, we will hide text from all sides. It is okay now. You can also decrease or increase volume of the background music by clicking on Audio. After clicking there, now click on Volume button to adjust the volume. Make sure to check every slides if any correction is necessary. Now click on Publish button to publish video. Now click on the Download button to start rendering the video. Now, as you can see here, our video is rendering and we will get our download link within few minutes. Now our video is successfully rendered and exported. Now we can download our video. We can copy the link from here. Or we can download the video by clicking here. Let's wait for some minutes till our video is downloaded. Now you can see here, our video is downloaded. To remove the watermark in the video, we will go 123apps.com. Among all the options here, we will click on Remove Logo from Video. Then we will drop this downloaded video here. Then we will select the area that to be removed, and here it is Steve.ai logo. Now let's click on Save. You can see the file is encoding. Now click on Save to download. Now it is downloading. So, you can see, our video is downloaded here. Now let's play it and see and check our video.
Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with freelancing. Freelancing can be a great way to earn an income while.
Did you notice that the text in the video is still appearing? I guess I made a mistake while editing the video, or maybe there is a technical issue. But as you can see, the Steve.ai logo is no more there. So what is the next step? So the next step is to upload the video on your YouTube channel. From now on, we can make a video even if you're camera shy or you're not confident with voiceovers. You can create videos, podcasts, reels, shorts, etc. without showing your face or using your voice. This is the blessing of AI technology. So, be consistent and create high-quality content with ChatGPT and Steve.ai. If you don't have a large following, then you can promote affiliate products and earn money. But in the long term, it's going to help you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.